Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hi everyone, have you ever wondered what they can do for you? Those Centrum multivitamins we see in pharmacies? Well, they're in the right place. To find out, let's dive into what Centrum is, its uses, and everything in between. Centrum multivitamins are designed to give them those nutrients they may not be getting from their diet. They're perfect for when they're too busy to keep track of every leafy greens they eat. Truth. Now, why would anyone take Centrum? It is used by people who need to fill nutritional gaps in their diet. This could be due to dietary restrictions, health issues, or even the hustle and bustle of everyday life. But how does Centrum work? It provides essential vitamins and minerals directly into their system, helping them maintain overall health and energy levels. And it is used in it as a little daily boost for your body. Let's talk about how to take Centrum. It's simple. Usually, 1 tablet a day with food. It's crucial to start with the recommended dosage. And always remember, more is not always better when it comes to vitamins. However, while Centrum is generally safe, it can have potential side effects like stomach upset or headaches. Always read the label and, if you're not sure, talk to your doctor. In conclusion, Centrum can be a great addition to your health regime if used correctly. Remember to stick to the recommended dosage and keep open communication with your doctor. Thanks for your attention, and here's to your health. Stay tuned for more useful guides.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.